Hello everyone! Today this video is for 8th grades and the unit is cooking. This video is really so important because it will be like a summary of this unit, and there are some keywords in this unit like recipe, ingredients, how to cook, ways of cooking, steps or methods. Recipe is in Turkish tarif, ingredients içindekiler, how to cook nasıl pişiririm, ways of cooking pişirme yolları, step methods basamak yöntem. Burada recipe kelimesiyle çok alakalı olan how to cook, ways of cooking, steps and methods birbiriyle çok bağlantılı kavramlar. And now let's look at the pictures. First picture is bake, boil, break, chop, clean, fry. And please again look at bake. Bake is in Turkish fırında pişirmek. And also there is another word, roast. Roast da fırında çevirerek pişirmek, boil kaynatmak, break kırmak, crack de kullanabiliriz bunun yerine, chop in Turkish doğramak, clean temizlemek, fry kızartmak. Let's look at second parts. Grate, knead, mince, pour, roll and serve. Grate rendelemek, knead yoğurmak, mince minik minik küçük küçük doğramak, pour dökmek devirmek, roll yuvarlamak, serve servis etmek. And now look at the third visual. Slice, sprinkle, steam, stir, strain, whisk, mix and blend. Now look at the Turkish meaning. Slice dilim dilim doğramak, sprinkle serpmek, steam buharda pişirmek, stir yavaş yavaş karıştırmak, strain süzmek, whisk çırpmak, mix karıştırmak, blend de blenderda karıştırmak. Now if you know these words, now you can cook something, so just cook. Now again, look at the summary of the unit, ways of cooking. There are a lot of words here with the Turkish meanings. So I will also only read the words and you can see the Turkish meaning: bake, boil, chop, cook, cut, dice, fold, fry, serve, grill, heat, knead, peel, pour, rinse, roast, roll, shake, slice, spread, steam, stir, toast, turn down, observe, and shape. And also in this unit, equipment for cooking is also important, like frying pan, saucepan, tablespoon, teaspoon, mixing bowl, rolling pin. And also, please let's check together taste: bitter, sour, salty, spicy, tasty or delicious. And what about checking process stage? When you talk about a recipe, you will use first, then, next, after that, finally, second, third. The last one, if you check a menu, you will see the headings like starter, main course, dessert, drinks and beverage. Really, if you know these words, you are good at cooking. And please believe yourself and study carefully.